Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak fully over your Fire Stick with the best applications for movies, TV shows, live TV, and all kinds of content, okay? So this is going to fully unlock your Fire Stick. I'm going to show you premium applications, access to a special code and a store, which is going to give you always the most up-to-date applications, and it's going to fully load it with the best ones, and you're going to be able to get all the updates and things like that. Follow me along. It's time to cut the cable bill, time to cut that Netflix bill, whatever bills you're having. This is going to significantly be much better, and all these applications are absolutely free to stream movies, TV shows, and more. So I'm on my Fire Stick device. If you have a new Fire Stick device, the first thing you got to do straight off the bat is go to the settings and my Fire TV or my device. Go inside there and click on there. Okay, so I'm going to click on my Fire TV, or it might say my device, depending which Fire Stick you're on. Okay. Now you see I have developer options. You may not have developer options, which is fine. So if you don't have developer options, simply click on About. You'll see Fire TV or Fire Stick 4K Max, whichever device you're on. The name being highlighted just like that. Click on the actual name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it says no need? You're already a developer. On your device, when you click 8 times, it will say, now you are a developer. Okay? So once you do that, click 5 times back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we successfully enabled developer options, which will give you access to all this content, okay, and being able to install these apps. Now the second step you want to go is find, and you want to go to search right here. You want to click on that search box. You can hit the Alexa remote here, the blue button, or you can just type it in. Downloader, whichever one you feel is easier. When you type that in, an application is going to come up. You're going to see an orange white application that says downloader. Click on that application, and what's going to do, press the download button. And then what it's going to do, it's going to download the downloader application. It's going to queue it and install it. It's going to notify you once it's installed, but don't open it up. Don't press the open button. There's a couple of things we have to do. Simply just hit the home button, okay? And you'll see it. It's installed right here. Now, once that's done, go to settings, okay? Go to my Fire TV or my device. Click inside. Go to developer options, like we've enabled in the first step. Install unknown apps. Click inside. Make sure you switch that downloader to the on position just like that. Once you do that, 5 times back again, 3, 4, 5, okay? Now, what you want to do, very simple and straightforward, you want to open up the downloader application, okay? Press the OK button, and click one up here highlighted in yellow. Click inside, and you want to pop in the following code. 10381. 10381 is the code you want to put in. And once you put that code right in, 10381, press the go button. Now, what that is going to do, it's going to get the unlinked application. Give it 3 seconds. It's going to count down, and it's going to now pop up that it's downloading the unlinked application. Here we are. In any minute, it should pop up, and you'll see it downloaded the unlinked application. We're going to press the install button, and make sure you don't open it up yet. Just press the done button. There's a couple of things we have to do before we can access the unlinked application. Press delete and press the delete button. That's going to delete the actual installation file. Now, when we press home, you'll see that I have downloader and I have unlinked installed. Now, another step you have to take, go to settings now, my Fire TV, my device, developer options, install unknown apps, and switch the unlinked to the on position, just like that. Once you do that, 5 times back again. And now before I can launch unlinked and get inside with a special code, I need to run a VPN because internet service providers are blocking my content and access to the actual unlinked application. So we've got to go to find and go to search. And in here, just type in the following word, IP vanish, just like that. Let's type that in, IP vanish, just like that. Highlight it just like that and search for it. What's going to happen? It's going to find IP vanish, 94,000 reviews, I believe, 4 stars. Black, gray, green, white icon. Click on that. and click the download button just right there to download the IPVanish VPN. Now, once that's done, it's going to download and install IPVanish, and it's our last step here that we have to do to get into the Unlinked store. Okay, once it installs, let's just pop it open, and I'll explain everything in detail. So let it install, give it a minute, and then press the open button once it's finished installing. Now, it's going to ask me for my email and password. So you're going to put in your own email and your own password. Now, how do you get your own account? You can scan the barcode here or go to this bit.ly link here on the screen, also in my pinned comment description. When you go to that screen, scan it or go on your laptop, however you're getting to that landing website, you're going to be able to sign up for your own account, and you're going to get 82% off with this affiliate link. And this will give you full access to all the apps, unlimited streaming, unlimited updates, being able to get inside of the Unlinked store that we're going to do, and being able to stream anonymously and have full access to all the apps with all the updates and being able to access that. One account will get you covered on unlimited Fire Sticks, Android boxes, smart TVs. This works on every platform: Windows, Android, iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, PCs, you name it, works on everything. I'm using one account on many devices in my house. So pause the video if you need to, scan this barcode, or go to this link here, also in the pinned comment description. Once you're on that landing page, put in your email address, create your password, sign up. You're going to get an email notification from them that your account created successfully. Click on verify your email, and then log in with your email address, put it in here with your Fire Stick, put in the password you created, and press the login button. Okay, this is going to keep you anonymous, keep you safe, and give you unlock all that streaming content and full access to my Unlinked store with all the updates and all that stuff. It's like a latte at Starbucks. It's, you know, it costs less than Netflix, it costs less than cable TV, it costs less than anything else. It's a few bucks a month, I believe around $2 a month now, and that's going to keep you covered and full access to the Unlinked application. Okay, so I'm going to log into mine and I'll show you how to set this up for our Unlinked store to fully jailbreak our Fire Stick with more than 60 premium applications. So let me log in. You log into your account and press the login button, and I'll show you the next steps to get this going. Okay, for our Unlinked store. Here I am logged into the VPN. You would log in the same way. First thing you want to do is to make this work, click the settings button. Make sure you say connect on Android startup. This is going to make sure the VPN is always on when we start it up. Okay. Press the back arrow key on your Fire Stick. Go to location right there and go to countries. You want to scroll all the way to the United States. So we're going to scroll all the way to the United States. Okay. Once there, click on the United States. Favorite United States. It's going to put a yellow star on it. Click on it again and say connect to United States. Now this is going to come up. You're going to press the OK button on the connection request. The screen is going to flicker and we're fully protected. And now we can open up Unlinked and we can access the store. Okay, so that's available right there if you haven't taken advantage of that big discount right there. Okay, I'm going to press the home button and I'm going to start up the Unlinked application now. Okay, now when we start it up, you'll see add new library. Press the new library and this will blink. Click inside of this blinking cursor and type in Fire Stick, all lowercase. Okay, no spaces, nothing like that. The code is Fire Stick. Now, when your VPN is on, you should have no issues. It should throw you right into the store. Okay, now don't press anything. Take a phone out and take a picture of this welcome screen. Every 2 weeks or so, I update this welcome screen with the newest apps. It's going to give you the most details, the most information about which apps are working for live TV, movies and TV shows, and which are my best. I have more than 10 for movies and TV shows and like 7 or 8 for live television, okay? Great applications. Now, at home, you won't be seeing this blurred out. It's blurred out on my screen for YouTube purposes. But when you're doing this on your actual Fire Stick, you'll see everything there, okay? Once you take a picture, click the back arrow. Don't press the enter button. And click the back arrow to get out of the store. Click onto the store again to go back in. Now you'll see something called New Tech Apps. You want to click on that folder that's highlighted already. And you want to scroll up and down, left to right. I got best sports apps, live TV apps, best movies and TV show apps. Just to scroll down, that very easy to scroll down left to right and get the application. For YouTube purposes, I'm going to only be showing you these Fire Stick tools. I'm going to install these 2 random apps, but you can scroll up and down, left to right to get all those applications. If you want to see the list of the best apps, you can scan this barcode as well. That will get you the best list, updated always, okay? So you'd simply scroll over to that app and highlight it, press the download button. This would download the application. Once it downloads, you press the install app, press install, screen would flicker, the app would be installed. Another app, just scroll over it, download, app would download, you press the install button, and the app is installed, just like that. Okay? Press install, app is installed. That quickly, okay? So that's pretty much it. Scroll up and down, left to right, get all those applications. The list is available here as well. That's going to keep you covered, get you the best apps. I always update the store. My store is up to date. This Fire Stick store is up to date, always, every time updated, okay? Press back to exit everything, or press the home button to exit the unlinked store. You see these apps are installed. Now you can go back to the store at any time by clicking on it. Now for this entire process, my VPN is on. So if you want to get the updates, want to get full access to the unlinked store and get all the updates for the apps, make sure you get protected with a VPN. You can scan this barcode here or go to this bit link here, also in the pinned comment description. It's less than a latte at Starbucks, a coffee per month. That's how much it costs, and gets you covered on unlimited Fire Sticks, unlimited devices, and give you so much more access to movies, shows, more links, more content, more sports, and no more geo-blocked content and sports, okay? So that works great. Very little buffering or almost non-existent. They have just upgraded their servers, works really good, okay? And you're gonna get the best discount by going to my barcode or going to this bit link, also in the pinned comment description, is a clickable link. That's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. This is the quickest way, and you can see I've been connected throughout 3 minutes here. No, 8 minutes or so. I can't really see the counter there, but it didn't take me that long. Very easy to do. And that's pretty much it. So make sure you drop a comment below this video. Some people have been knocking off my content. I haven't put a 4-digit PIN. I'm thinking about putting it, as people are linking to my apps and stealing the apps from the store when I update them, when I find new updates. They're also making videos about my store, and they're not giving me any credit whatsoever. Therefore, I might put a 4-digit PIN. I haven't done it. If I do put a 4-digit PIN, the first ones to hear about it will be people that comment right below this video. So a simple hi, hello, where are you from? What's your favorite team? You like hot dogs? You like pizza? Whatever, just a comment, anything you want. Or maybe tell me which town or city you represent. What's your favorite sports team? Anything you want to drop in the comments below. And then I'll reply to everyone automatically with the new PIN code if I ever do set up a PIN code for my store. I might do that, so drop a comment below this video. That will keep you updated and give you all the information you need. So I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. I ask only to drop the comment below the video. I would highly appreciate it. Also hit the bell icon and make sure you hit that notification button, because when I do have new shorts or new apps, sometimes I'll post a short or a quick video and I'll let you know about that app. So you want to be notified. You want to be the first one to get that before these big events or shows or whatever's going on your local TV. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment below. And if you have X and you want to get more information, you can follow me on X. That's also available at the end of the video. There's an X link to take you to my X profile. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support. And have a wonderful, blessed, beautiful day. And let me know if this worked as well in the comments. And beautiful, beautiful time together. And thank you for watching. And take care of yourself and your family.